Hi guys, welcome to Steve's Tech. Today we're going to see what are the features of P47 5.0 plus EDR wireless headphone. And come on, let's unbox this headphones. Let's keep it aside and then see what are the other things which is inside this box. And here they have given a USB charging cable which is AC input 110 240, VDC input 5V, and in this other than this they have given a user manual. And let's see what are the features which is inside this headphone. And let's see, come on. So this is the headphones where this is the headphone. See. And let's on this. Let's switch on this. When you are switching on these headphones, it tells that power on. And then, come on, let's pair this. Let's pair this headphones, Bluetooth. Yes, the P47 is paired to my phone, and then now let's see how it works. See, it's singing. Here they have given the options. Now let's see what are the options they have given here. See, this is the main part of this headphone. Here, what are the things we can do in these buttons which are mentioned in this, which are mentioned in the user manual, which is actually we can speak with someone, like communicating with someone. We can able to speak for about 6 hours, and the standby time of this headphone is 15 hours. And this, but then this icon of this button mentioned in this user manual is it supports automatic switchover to the incoming call junction and with the N number redial function, and this icon is represented which is pause and play, as you all know about it. And this button and these two buttons are used. Here we have the forward, and here we have the backward and the backward option, and here we have the volume higher button, and here we can lower the volume. And they have given a memory card slot option. Here you can see the memory card option. In this memory card option, you can insert any memory card of yours and you can hear songs. And other than this, you have a special edition in this headphones. Here you have the M option, and when you are pressing this button, the FM stereo radio MP3 player starts. If the FM video starts speaking, and that's it. These are the features presented in the P47 wireless headphones, and I hope you guys like this video, and please do subscribe my channel, guys, and share this channel to your friends and support me, and thanks for watching, guys. Okay.